Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to swap out your wiper blades on the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. It's got 3 blades, a 26 inch, a 22 inch, and a 12 inch. Like I said, it's an easy process, so let's get into it. Come on. Alright, so this is going to be my 22 inch blade. You got this little button right here, like I said, so you press that in, and that's going to let you remove this one. Be careful not to let that go and hit the glass, or you could run the risk of cracking your glass. All right, let's get the replacement. All right, same thing, it's got that little button there. So I'm gonna remove that. All right, that's it right there. All right, I'm gonna move to the other side. This is gonna be my 26 inch blade. All right guys, and for the last one, it's the rear wiper. Same step. All right guys, and that's it. So it's that quick. I mean, you can do all of them in less than 2 minutes. So this was an Amazon overall choice product. I think it's 22 bucks for the set of them. Like I said, all right, 22 bucks, it's delivered to your door and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.